Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bybit, which is BTC. And before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So make sure you're at the home page on Bybit and you're at the exchange area at the home page, and make sure that your Bybit account is updated and is verified for you to be able to carry out transaction. So the first step you have to take is for you to go over to trade. You can see it here at the down here. Let me go over to it, and over to here you're going to see which is Solana/USDT. So over there, what you have to do, you have to go there. Let me go over there, and what you have to do here is for you to search the crypto you want to buy. In case you don't see it there, you can go over to, please enter preferred trading pair. Let me enter there and type in BTC, and you're going to see it there. You have to go over to the BTC/USDT. So let me go over to it. And since you are going to buy, make sure the thing is at the buy side, not at the sell. At the sell side, which means that you want to sell your BTC, while at the buy area means you want to buy. And here at the right corner is showing the price of BTC. So over here you're going to see limit, so you have to put it over to the market. In case your own is not showing market, it might be showing smart market, so you have to put it in smart market. And here you have to enter the following order, the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, the number of Bitcoin. So let me just enter 2. And also you can also use this area which is showing the percentage of it, depending the one you want. You can use any one you want. And let me go over to it, and over here the slippage tolerance, you can put the slippage tolerance if you want, and it's not really that compulsory. And when you are done with that, and you have to make sure that, and you also have to make sure that you have USDT on your Bybit for you to be able to carry out the transaction. You not having the USDT on your Bybit, you'll be able to carry out transaction. You'll be able to buy Bitcoin. So when you are done, you can go over to buy, and over to here you can go over to buy BTC, and it's done. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.